Purposeful Nudge introduces the new entry-level opportunity, the Edge Orchestrator, scaling local AI infrastructure. How the opportunity for new graduates is changing.
For new college graduates, the entry-level job market is undergoing a sudden contraction. Generative AI has reached a level of proficiency where it now handles the drafting of emails, the writing of basic code, and the execution of routine data entry, tasks that once formed the foundation of junior corporate roles. Cloud-based systems can now automate these workflows across entire organizations at a speed and scale that makes manual human output mathematically uncompetitive. However, these algorithms remain confined to the digital layer, and AI cannot physically replace a failing hardware component, manage a localized power grid, or navigate the physical layout of a manufacturing floor. This software-driven automation has created a digital vacuum. To find long-term stability, young professionals are looking beyond the screen and toward the physical hardware that makes modern intelligence possible. We are currently seeing a strategic pivot in the enterprise world. To avoid volatile cloud API token costs and the security risks associated with sending sensitive data to external servers, companies are pulling their AI workloads out of the cloud. The industry solution is Edge AI, pushing processing power directly onto local laptops, effectively turning every employee workstation into a high-performance AI node. This diagram compares the two models. Instead of a single central server doing the work, data processing is distributed across a fleet of local devices. This allows users to run small language models and encrypted local data indexes without needing a constant internet connection. Moving the intelligence locally places immense strain on the physical device. The neural processing units, or NPUs, face constant memory saturation and thermal bottlenecks as they handle persistent background AI tasks. Because the AI infrastructure now lives physically on the employee's desk, corporations require a specialized workforce to actively orchestrate these distributed machines. Historically, IT support was a reactive break-fix function. Technicians waited in corporate basements for a ticket to arrive, replaced a part, and considered the job finished. This model fails when faced with the complexity of local AI. Managing a fleet of AI PCs requires a proactive role, the Edge Orchestrator. This role demands high-end digital literacy. Orchestrators must manage local vector caches, interpret real-time hardware telemetry data, and govern the distribution of small language models across thousands of individual nodes. Success in this field relies on dual fluency. These professionals combine technical precision with behavioral science, utilizing frameworks like the SCARF model to understand the cognitive triggers that influence how people adopt new technology. When a local AI model lags or a hardware component overheats, it often triggers user anxiety. The orchestrator acts as a confidence architect, using behavioral intelligence to stabilize the user's experience while resolving the technical failure. Without this human empathy to bridge the gap during system failures, the technical performance of the device becomes irrelevant to the user's trust in the brand. Companies are now replacing remote, automated help desks with retail-style tech bars located in central corporate hubs. These hubs function as face-to-face coaching centers where orchestrators run proactive performance checks and help employees navigate the transition to local AI tools. By leveraging real-time data, the orchestrator acts as a business advisor, identifying workflow bottlenecks and recommending technical optimizations directly to the employees on the floor. This role serves as the execution interface, where the abstract potential of AI meets operational reality. In complex environments like this robotic factory floor, the human orchestrator ensures the digital systems stay grounded in physical truth. This face-to-face support is the primary factor preventing expensive enterprise AI deployments from becoming unused software. The rapid adoption of Edge AI is occurring just as the technical workforce faces a historic talent shortage. This chart shows the collision of these two trends. The field services market is projected to reach a valuation of $627 billion by 2030, even as the available pool of technicians drops. The current workforce is reaching retirement age, leaving an estimated gap of millions of vacancies globally by 2035. For a graduate with the right technical and behavioral skills, this deficit creates a path to becoming the essential infrastructure of a trillion-dollar global economy. Modern field services is a boardroom-level strategic asset. The orchestrator's ability to keep local AI running is what determines the success of a company's entire technology roadmap. This career path centers on the exact capabilities that AI cannot replicate: real-world problem-solving in unpredictable environments and cross-functional human leadership. Building a career at the intersection of hardware and human experience creates a durable professional advantage that software automation alone cannot touch.